Wow. Even Lenny and Georgia won't touch it. We need to go get some real dog food for them.
Wait, who?
Lenny and Georgia? That's what I named the new dogs.
Oh, no naming them. If you name them, you're gonna get attached.
Andy, look at it.
I'm glad that Friday's getting along well with dog number 1 and dog number 2, but we're barely keeping our dog safe. I mean, do you know what happens if we get caught in here? Trespassing, breaking. Are you even listening?
So I'll stay here and keep them quiet while you go out and get some real food. Okay?
Okay, fine. But just for now. And I'll be back. Stay Friday. Georgia.
What's the problem?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Stop howling, please.
All that just so you could look out a window?
Dungeons and Dragons: Honor Among Thieves. Rated PG-13. March 31st.
DreamWorks The Boss Baby. Rated PG. March 31st.
The Road to El Dorado. Rated PG. Starts Friday, March 31st everywhere.
In theaters and on HBO Max, March 31st. Rated PG-13.
Ice Age: The Meltdown. Rated PG. March 31st.
The Matrix. Rated R. Starts Wednesday, March 31st.
DreamWorks Monsters vs. Aliens. Rated PG. March 27th.
DreamWorks Home. Rated PG. March 27th.
Disney's Mulan. Rated PG-13. March 27th. Get tickets.